Alright, so it's a rainy Saturday everyone. Kamusta kayo? Alright, so ayan, so tag-ulan na naman. Mag-iingat po ang lahat. Alright, so kitang-kita natin na umuulan, 'di ba? So today guys, I will give you an insight about our Anderoba lotion. Okay? So dahil tag-ulan na naman, maraming lamok, 'di ba? Maraming insect. Okay? So I will introduce to you this Anderoba 3-in-1 lotion. So, what is Anderoba? Okay? So, Anderoba seed is the most commonly used para sa insect repellent. Okay? Lalong-lalo na sa mga mosquito, yan, sa mga lamok, lalong-lalo na ngayong tag-ulan. So, this Anderoba, this is insect repellent. Okay? So, this is for anti-inflammatory and this is moisturizer. Okay? So, sa mga bata or adult, this is also designed for you. Gamit po tayo nito. This is organic, non-toxic, and all-natural product. Product by Essenza Naturale, okay? Our advocacy is to promote the organic way of living. That is why lahat ng product natin ay organic, okay? So, you try this one, guys. This is for kids and adult, okay? Pwede mong baunin kahit saan ka. Ilo-lotion mo lang siya para hindi ka dadapuan ng lamok at hindi ka rin kakagatin ng lamok, okay? So, another health tips, guys. This is Dr. Organica. Some other time, I will give you some insight and information about other product. Bye! Keep safe, everyone!